Hi everyone, I am Dilshad and welcome back to my YouTube channel Rural Talker. And today I am going to talk about topic. In order to speak fluent English, in order to speak flawless English, in order to speak confident English, and if you don't want to stutter while communicating with anyone, and if you don't want to jumble while communicating with anyone, and if you don't want to fumble words like while talking your English language, then what we need to do? What sort of things we need to do? If you are an English learner and if you have already started your English speaking journey, and if you want to start your English journey, then you would be facing few sort of problems. Actually, the problems would be very tiny and very minor, but you need to tackle it. And how you can tackle it, this kind of problems, tiny and minor problems. In order to tackle tiny and minor problem, such as, for instance, I am just going to relate few problems sometimes what happen whenever we try to speak English language with our friends, and whenever we try to speak English language anywhere, then what happen initially, we jumble actually, like we jumble, sometimes we fumble, even though we'll have lot of knowledge, I mean to say we'll have lot of words in our mind, but that time we will not be able to use those words, on a certain time, I would say. On an appropriate time, we will not be able to use those words, even though we will have lot of word in our mind. So why we jumble, why we fumble actually, and why we sometimes omit the words while communicating with other person. Sometimes we omit good words actually, and we use very normal words, even though we will have lot of advanced word also, but we just omit advanced word. We just use normal words. And that's why we are just fumbling. So I'm going to relate a few things. You can also overcome from this kind of problem, because initially I was also facing this problem when I started my English communication journey. Then I was facing this kind of problems a lot, especially jumbling and fumbling and stuttering also. Even though I had a lot of words in my mind, but I was unable to use those words in my communication. Whenever I talked with anyone, I was just fumbling a lot. Then one tutor actually, I would say one English tutor, I sought help from some English advanced learners, and they have given me one idea. You can also overcome from this kind of problem, but you need to implement few things, and you need to incorporate few things in your English journey. Whatever you have been doing, just do. But in order to speak fluent English language and flawless, I would say, you need to do few things. And the very, I would say, major thing is discussion on topic. Discussion on topic. This is very helpful, because topic contains lot of knowledge. Suppose if you have been practicing your English with your any friends, okay, and if you will discuss over the topic, then definitely their opinion would be different from your opinion, and your opinion would be different from his opinion, okay, and their knowledge would be different from your knowledge, and his knowledge would be different from your knowledge. So how, if you will discuss on topic, then if you would be discussing on topic, then what you would be doing? You would be collabing, okay. You would be just transferring, I would say, your knowledge to each other. You would be just collabing your knowledge to each other, and not only you will learn, your partner also will learn from you, because you would be sharing your own thought, your own knowledge, and you will have different kind of knowledge from your friends. So just try to talk on topic, because I always discussed on topic. That's the reason today I am able to speak English language little bit fluently. I am not an English speaker, I am just a learner, I am just a beginner like you. I do not have that much fluency, I am nothing right now, I am just learner. But I have been just saying, because if you would be beginner, then you would be facing this kind of problem. So because of problem, I want you to don't give up. Just keep on doing, okay, because this is the process we have to follow actually. And suppose some people, what happens, they just give up, because they do not have any kind of guidance actually. And if you will get this kind of guidance, then you could be motivated by these kind of people, and you would be in your journey. And once you will lift your journey, once you will leave your journey, then I think you will not feel to start again. That is why don't feel bad. Just keep on doing and just be in your journey. And just whatever you have been doing in order to learn this language, just do. But implement one more thing: discussion on topic. If you do not have any friends, if your friends are not ready to talk with you on topic, then just try to write down topic on a paper and just try to elaborate yourself, whatever knowledge you have got according to your knowledge. Just elaborate those things, and if you would be elaborating those things, definitely you would be inculcating words and sentence in your mind. So discussion on topic will always give you lot of knowledge, because topic contains lot of knowledge. Still I have been doing discussion on topic. I have partner, I talk with English with them, I practice my English with them on a daily basis. If I talk about every day, I just practice my English at least 1 to 2 hours. I have been just making video, I have been just recording video for betterment of myself only. And I thought maybe if you will get little bit guidance from me, then it's also okay. But I have been just doing this thing for myself only. My intention is to not run YouTube channel, to not make anyone understand. Why I am just sharing this thing? Because in rural area, lot of my friends, my brothers, my sister, they have been just suffering from this kind of problem. They are not getting good guidance and correct guidance actually. So I am here to just guide them. If you have any kind of problem, just don't give up. Just try to tackle it. If you do not have knowledge, just try to ask any person. Whoever would be residing close to you, nearby you, you can also seek help from them. I have this kind of problem, I want to speak English language and I have been just suffering from this problem, then definitely they would help you. How you can tackle and how you can overcome from this kind of problem. So try to seek help from people. Seeking help, it's not a bad deeds, I would say. Seeking help is a good for good reason only, not for bad reason. If you have been learning English language and if you have been seeking help from any person, then it's good, it's permissible. It's not sins actually. Okay, it's not sin. So seeking help is permissible for good reason. Suppose if I have been learning English language, definitely one of my uncle helped me a lot, and I always sought help from my uncle. Whenever I got stuck, whenever I got confusion, then I just called my uncle. Uncle, I have been facing this problem. How can I overcome from this problem? Then my uncle said, just do this thing. Just do this thing. Because seeking help for good reason, it's permissible. It's not sin. So just try to seek help. If any person are better than you, in any people are they are better than you, just if they are good at English language, then just try to seek help from them. If you are unable to do this thing, because I have been just seeking help, to be honest, to be frankly speaking, I have been seeking help from lot of people, and lot of people helped me actually. Successfully they helped me, and I have been just executing their thought, their things and their idea, their tips and tricks. That is why I have been saying, because many of us, we are not aware, and we are not able to get good environment and get good knowledge by living in a rural area. Definitely, suppose I come from rural area where I didn't have that this environment, English environment. Except my uncle, no one taught me anything, to be honest, because I didn't have environment and I was just suffering from this kind of things. And I know a lot of people, they are just suffering from this kind of situation. So that is why I am here to help you, whoever my friends and my brothers, my sisters, whoever are residing in my village. I am just telling to you, if you do not have any environment, just try to practice yourself. And I will be relating few applications name in upcoming videos where you can practice your English language, because a lot of applications are available on Play Store where you can practice your English language, and you will find also very good co-learners with whom you can practice your English in a very fluent manner, in a very nice manner, and those will would be also helpful for you, and you can also help them and they can also help you. That's how you can learn English language. As we know, nowadays social media is also playing very vital role in our life, and we are just making out of it, and we are just getting a lot of benefits from social media. I would say, bro, that social media played a very vital role for me actually so far in order to speak English language, because I always sought help from YouTube, either YouTube or some Google. I would say Google also. So it was very fantastic like journey for me, like using social medias and many more things actually. I have used a lot of applications in order to improve my communication skill, in order to speak fluent English language, in order to get knowledge and acquire knowledge. And a lot of people are very nice over over different application. Those will help you to speak English language fluently. And a lot of people helped me, and I am very much thankful for those of my co-learners who has helped me in order to speak English language fluently. I know I have been committing mistake. I know, because facing camera and facing like any camera, I think it's a very much challenging. It's a very much difficult. Even though I know a lot of rules, lot of words, I know a lot of vocabularies, but right now I'm just unable to express those words, and I am just unable to execute and use those words right now, because facing camera, it's a bit challenging. I would say not only for me, whoever are learner, whoever they just start facing camera, they face this kind of problem. So I know I have been committing mistake, so don't worry. I know my mistake, where I committed mistake, and if you found any mistake, though, please comment me, and I will rectify my mistake in upcoming time. And that's all for this video. And I would say, bro, if you are English learner, just maintain your consistency and do practice as much as you can. Only practice can make you perfect. Otherwise, there is no any alternative way and any alternative idea to become fluent at English language. No, there is nothing, bro. Only by practicing you can speak English language fluently. And I would say just maintain your consistency, practice as much as you can, and try to incorporate new words in your communication if it is possible. And that's all for this video, and thank you very much. Bye bye.